Welcome to the solar system, where the unimaginable happens every day. Planets spinning, moons orbiting, and a burning ball of fire at the center, the Sun. Let's embark on a journey through this incredible cosmic neighborhood. First up, the Sun, the biggest, hottest, and most powerful object in the solar system. It makes up 99.86% of the system's mass, and is so hot, it's burning at 15 million degrees Celsius at its core. This fiery ball of gas holds everything in its grasp, providing energy to support life on Earth. Now, let's meet the 8 planets, each with its own incredible characteristics. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It's scorching hot during the day, but at night, temperatures plummet to -170 degrees C. A day here is longer than its year, taking 176 Earth days to complete one rotation. Venus is the hottest planet, with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. It spins in the opposite direction of most planets, and has a day that lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its year. Our home, Earth, is the only planet known to support life. A day here is 24 hours, with a perfect balance of atmosphere and water that makes life possible. Mars, the red planet, has massive volcanoes and the longest canyon in the solar system. Its day is almost identical to Earth's, lasting 24.6 hours. Jupiter is the king of planets, with 1,300 Earths fitting inside it. This gas giant spins incredibly fast, completing a full rotation in 9.9 hours. Saturn's iconic rings are made of ice and rock, and it could float in water due to its low density. A day here lasts 10.7 hours. Uranus is the sideways planet. It spins on its side. It has extreme seasons, and a day lasts 17.2 hours. Neptune is the blue giant, with the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 2,100 kilometers h. A day here is 16.1 hours. Planets don't travel alone. They have moons, natural satellites that orbit them. Some moons are even more interesting than the planets they orbit. The solar system is full of space rocks, from asteroids that roam the asteroid belt to comets with glowing tails that stretch for millions of kilometers. Which planet or moon blew your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.